Dear students, the next question from work power energy need based question number 18. See the question. A rectangular block of dimension 6 meter, 4 meter, 2 meter and of then density 1.5 gram per cubic centimeter is lying on horizontal ground with the face of the largest area in contact with the ground. The work done arranging it is the smallest area in the contact with the ground is. So G value taken as 10 meter per second square. Then 4 option is given in kilojoules. Okay, so let's we discuss this concept with the solution. I'll read the question one more time. See that a rectangular block of dimension. So let us imagine I'll take this rectangular block. Okay, 6 meter, 4 meter and 2 meter. So this is largest length. So this is, we can write 6 meter. Okay, and then this I consider as largest height. Then after that 4 meter. So this one 4 meter. 4 meter. So this length 4 meter. This breadth 4 meter. This length is 6 meter. Let us imagine. And then this thickness, okay, here this thickness is, I consider as it is a 2 meter. Okay, 6 meter, 2 meter, 4 meter. Okay, so now I'll read the question. Its density given. So actually the volume is length into breadth into height, that is 6 meter into 4 meter into 2 meter. Therefore this is equal to 4 in 6 into 4 24, 24 into 2 48. So 48 meter cube. This is the volume, and density of the substance is given, that is 1.5 gram per cubic centimeter. So the gram per cubic centimeter we should convert it into kilogram per meter cube, that is 1500 kilogram per meter cube. So by using this idea we can find the mass first. Okay, so we know the formula, density is equal to mass by volume. Therefore mass is equal to density into volume. So density into volume. So mass is equal to density 1500 kilogram per meter cube into volume, that is 48 meter cube. Okay, right. So now the mass value is over. Now we'll read the question fully. A rectangular block of dimension 6 meter, 4 meter, 2 meter and its density 1.5 gram per cubic centimeter is lying on the horizontal ground. So let us imagine one ground. Okay, one horizontal ground with the face of the largest area in contact. So for example, it's the largest area. Which is largest area? So surely this 6 meter, the 6 meter length, 4 meter width. So now this is the largest area. This largest area is placed in contact with this surface. Okay, so the thickness only considering as height now. Okay, so let us imagine. I'll draw as a diagram initially. Listen. So please listen. So initially 6 meter, 4 meter, now it is placed in contact with the surface. So 6 meter, then this one 4 meter. Now it is placed with contact with the surface. Now in this first case, what about the height? The height is 2 meter. Okay, like this. 6 meter, height is 2 meter, the width is 4 meter. So in this situation, the potential energy, I'll take this potential energy. Initially this is the potential energy. So potential energy initial I. So potential energy initial is, generally mgh, potential energy, general formula. But we can write now, m is the mass. Okay. So mass, simply I can write as m alone. G is gravity, I can write as g alone. But what about the height? But the height is actually what? The height is actually, there is a 2 meter height. But let's we consider it is a uniform body. We want to calculate from center of gravity. So height is 2 meter. So its center of gravity is 1 meter. So we can write this is 1 meter height. Okay. Like that, potential energy final. Potential energy final. So potential energy final is, they said, the work done carrying it with the smallest area in contact with the ground. Smallest area, which is smallest area? See that? This is largest area. This one smallest area. Correct, So now we can place it like this. Okay. So here what is the area? So the 4 meter. Then another one here 2 meter. Okay, so in this second part, the height is remaining 6 meter is as a height. So now we can say that the same mass, same gravity, but height is half of this value because center of gravity. So it is like 3 meter. Therefore, now they are asking the work done. What work done? Now initially the block is like this. Okay, then they are going to change as like this. So we did some work, so that work done only we are going to calculate. So work done formula, that is potential energy final minus potential energy initial. Therefore work done is equal to potential energy final, mg3, actually here meter, okay, 3, minus initial value, mg, that is 1. So we can write 3 mg minus 1 mg, that is 2 mg. So therefore we can write work done is equal to 2 into mass value. Already we found, mass value 1500 into 48. 1500 into 48 into, in this question, g value taken as 10. It is given in the question, so 10. Therefore work done is equal to 2 into 15, 3000, 3000 into 10, that is 30,000. So 30,000 into 48. So 3 into 48, that is 144. Then after that 40 joule. So if you observe all the option in kilojoule, so we can write in kilojoule 1, 2, 3 decimal back. So 1440 kilojoule. So this much energy we need to change this object from this position to this position. Okay. So this option is matched with here answer B. Okay.